Life hacks are clever tips and tricks that can make everyday life more manageable and enjoyable. In this video blog post, we will explore 6 insightful life hacks that can help you save time, reduce stress, and make the most of your day. From time management to DIY cleaning supplies, these life hacks have the potential to simplify various aspects of your life. We encourage you to try them out and see the difference they can make. Time management. Tackle your tasks like a pro. Effective time management is crucial for a balanced daily life, as it helps you prioritize tasks, reduce stress, and accomplish more in less time. By utilizing time management apps and methods, you can streamline your daily routine and stay organized. Some noteworthy apps to consider include Todoist, Trello, and Google Calendar. These tools offer features such as task scheduling, reminders, and collaboration capabilities that can help you manage your daily tasks effectively. In addition to apps, there are various time management methods you can implement. For instance, the Pomodoro technique breaks your work into short intervals, usually 25 minutes, with breaks in between, allowing you to maintain focus and productivity. Another approach is the Eisenhower matrix, a prioritization method that categorizes tasks based on their urgency and importance, helping you to tackle the most crucial tasks first. Lastly, to stay organized and manage time wisely, consider setting realistic goals, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and avoiding multitasking. By incorporating these tips and tools into your routine, you'll be well on your way to mastering time management and making the most of your day. Smartphone hacks. Unleash the power of your device. Smartphones are packed with lesser-known features that can make your life easier. By exploring these hidden gems, you can get more out of your device and simplify your daily routine. One way to enhance your smartphone experience is through custom shortcuts. Many devices allow you to create shortcuts for frequently used actions, such as calling a specific contact, launching an app, or sending a pre-written text message. These shortcuts can save you time and streamline your interactions with your device. Built-in screen recording is another useful feature that often goes unnoticed. With screen recording, you can capture video of your device's screen, which is helpful for sharing instructions, troubleshooting, or creating tutorials. To access this feature, explore your device's settings or control center. Voice commands, such as Siri on iPhones or Google Assistant on Android devices, can also simplify your life. By using voice commands, you can perform actions like setting reminders, sending texts, or searching the web without lifting a finger. We encourage you to dive into your smartphone settings and features to discover more hidden gems. By making the most of these lesser-known features, you can unlock your device's full potential and make your life easier. Fashion fixes. Quick solutions for common clothing issues. Common clothing issues, such as wrinkled collars, deodorant stains, or runs in stockings, can be frustrating and time-consuming to deal with. Fortunately, there are quick and easy fashion fixes that can help you tackle these problems and keep your wardrobe looking its best. For instance, if you have a wrinkled collar and no iron available, a hair straightener can come to the rescue. Simply heat up the straightener and gently press it along the collar to smooth out any wrinkles. Just be sure to use a low heat setting to avoid damaging the fabric. Other fashion fixes include removing deodorant stains with a dryer sheet by gently rubbing it on the affected area, or using clear nail polish to stop a run in stockings. To do this, apply a small amount of clear polish on both ends of the run, and allow it to dry before wearing the stockings again. We encourage you to share your own fashion hacks in the comments section. By exchanging tips and tricks, we can all learn new ways to solve common clothing issues and keep our wardrobes looking fresh and stylish. Quick meal preps. Delicious dinners in no time. Meal prepping offers numerous benefits, such as saving time, money, and reducing food waste. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you can make healthy and satisfying meals with minimal effort throughout the week. Preparing a week's worth of meals in under an hour is achievable with some thoughtful planning and the right kitchen gadgets. Start by creating a meal plan based on your preferences, dietary needs, and available ingredients. This will help you create a shopping list, ensuring you have all the necessary items for your meals. Time-saving kitchen gadgets, such as slow cookers, instant pots, and food processors, can significantly speed up the meal prep process. These tools help reduce cooking time and simplify food preparation, allowing you to create a variety of dishes in less time. When selecting recipes, opt for simple, versatile dishes that can be easily customized. For example, consider preparing a large batch of a base recipe, such as grilled chicken or quinoa, and then using it in different meals throughout the week by adding various sauces, seasonings, or sides. Share your favorite meal prep recipes and tips in the comments, and let's inspire each other to create delicious, time-saving meals. Car maintenance. Keep your ride running smoothly. Regular car maintenance is essential for ensuring safety, performance, and longevity of your vehicle. By performing simple maintenance tasks and employing some handy tricks, you can keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly repairs. One useful trick is knowing how to quickly defog your windows. To do this, turn on your car's air conditioning, set it to the fresh air setting, and increase the temperature. This helps to regulate the temperature and humidity inside the car, clearing the fog from the windows. There are also several DIY maintenance tasks you can perform, such as checking tire pressure and changing windshield wipers. Regularly monitoring your tire pressure helps improve fuel efficiency, prolong tire life, and enhance driving safety. Changing your windshield wipers ensures clear visibility during inclement weather. Keeping your car clean and organized not only makes your driving experience more enjoyable, but also helps maintain your vehicle's value. Invest in car organizers, trash bins, and cleaning supplies to keep your car's interior in top shape. We encourage you to share your own car maintenance hacks in the comments. Together, we can help each other keep our rides running smoothly and safely. DIY cleaning supplies. Clean up your act with natural ingredients. Making cleaning supplies at home using natural ingredients has several benefits, such as being cost-effective, eco-friendly, and healthier for your family. By creating your own cleaning solutions, you can reduce exposure to harsh chemicals and lessen the environmental impact of commercial products. Here are some recipes and tutorials for making DIY cleaning supplies. 1. All-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant scent. This cleaner is great for countertops, sinks, and other surfaces. 2. Glass cleaner. Combine 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in a spray bottle. Use this solution to clean windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces without leaving streaks. 3. Laundry detergent. Mix 1 cup of washing soda, 1 cup of borax, and 1 bar of grated Castile soap. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per load, depending on the size and soil level of your laundry. We encourage you to share your favorite DIY cleaning recipes in the comments. Let's inspire each other to create eco-friendly, cost-effective, and healthy cleaning solutions for our homes. In this video blog post, we've explored 6 life hacks that can make everyday life easier, from time management strategies and smartphone features to fashion fixes and DIY cleaning supplies. These tips and tricks have the potential to save you time, money, and reduce stress in various aspects of your life. We encourage you to try out these hacks and share your experiences in the comments section. Your feedback can help others on their journey to simplifying everyday life. Good luck, and may these life hacks help you make the most of your day.